Unlock the full potential of your vacation rentals with StayFi, where Wi-Fi meets innovation in guest marketing. Relying solely on online travel agencies like Airbnb and Vrbo can be costly, with hidden fees, limited control, incomplete guest information, and stiff competition. Enter StayFi, capturing every guest's information, not just the bookers, right at Wi-Fi login, so that you can begin marketing to them directly. After logging in, guests are greeted with StayFi homepage. Guests immediately connect with your brand and can book again, explore local amenities and activities, all while you earn up to $20,000 more per listing annually through our free upsell integrations with the HostCo and Viator. Seamlessly sync StayFi with your PMS for effortless management and instant access to your entire guest list. Empower your marketing with StayFi's email and SMS tools. Build real relationships with guests that enhance guest loyalty, increase direct bookings, and generate more positive reviews, all while cutting out the middleman. StayFi offers customizable email templates for every occasion and drives engagement with automated email journeys tailored to each guest. Our SMS tool boasts unbeatable 98% open rates, allowing you to welcome guests, send stay enhancements, and even screen reviews to ensure your public image remains top-notch. Our enterprise-grade hardware ensures robust Wi-Fi that keep guest complaints to a minimum, while remote monitoring capabilities and dynamic occupancy alerts keep your properties safe. Our customers have seen transformative results, boasting decreased Wi-Fi related issues and massive increases in direct bookings, emails collected, and brand awareness. With StayFi, elevate your rental experience, increase direct bookings, and ensure guest satisfaction. StayFi, the best technology to break free from online travel agencies.